Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to program your Somfy 74300 remote, this guide is going to basically help you with it. So if you already have a working remote, this is going to be very quick. So you need to first of all take your existing remote, then you just have to simply press the prog button. So on the remote, it is going to be this button. So we are talking about the programming button. So you need to press it and wait for about 2 to 3 seconds. The motor will jog and move slightly. When it does, this means that it is in the programming mode. Now you need to take your new Somfy 74300 remote and then you need to press the prog button once. The motor will jog again in order to confirm the pairing. Now your new remote is successfully programmed. Now if you don't have a working remote, you can use this another method. In it, you just have to first of all turn off the power of the motor and wait for another 2 seconds. Then you need to turn it on and wait for another 10 seconds. Then turn off again for 2 seconds and then turn on. So the motor will jog to indicate the reset mode. Then you can press the program button on your Somfy 74300 remote. The motor will jog again, confirming that the remote is pairing. So this method resets previous connections and also link your new remote. So after pairing, you can check if the direction is correct. If the control are reversed, you can press the up and the down buttons together until the motor jogs. This flips the direction. You can also adjust the limits using the remote if required, depending on your setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.